Hola, me llamo Timoteo, soy un manejero de proyectos de Stanley Martin Custom Homes. Estamos aquí en una casa de mío en Arlington y hoy estamos a poner el driveway y el driveway apron aquí en la calle. Miro la máquina. Primero poner las formas aquí. El inspector necesita venir para mirar las formas para aprobar y después poner el concreto aquí. So I know I was showing off there telling you guys this in Spanish the best I could, but one of my very convenient talents that I have to get jobs done and communicate with the trades. But as you can see here, we are forming up the concrete apron for a driveway at one of my houses. These get inspected by Arlington County inspectors, and then once they give us the green light to pour these, we go ahead and pour them. And so you can see they got the sidewalk here. They're putting a expansion joint here between the sidewalk and the apron, and then they'll do one on the other side. And then there's angle pieces that connect to your curb have to be a certain way per your site plan. So that's why the inspector comes out to look at it to make sure that this is done per the plan and how Arlington County wants it done. So the last thing we want to do is have to break these out and redo them. So this is pouring a sidewalk, driveway, and apron. I will also mention when we do these, we are required to pull right-of-way permits, which is a site cost, which typically run, there's two permits, there's an excavation permit and a transportation right-of-way permit with excavation that we have to apply for in Arlington, and the cost typically runs about $500 total for both. Okay, so this is driveway apron, lead walk, sidewalk. I did not show you the lead walk yet. It's over here. This is your lead walk, or typical of a lead walk, connecting your driveway to front porch. Okay, thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a good day. See you next time. Bye.